I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology, chemistry, and physics step by step. First, establish a dedicated study routine, allocating specific times for each subject daily or weekly. Consistent review, perhaps for 30 minutes to 1 hour per subject, is crucial for long-term retention. Always engage with practice questions and past papers to test your understanding and identify areas needing more attention. Don't hesitate to ask for help when concepts are unclear. For biology, understanding the why behind processes is key, not just memorizing facts. Visual aids like detailed diagrams, colorful flashcards, and comprehensive concept maps can significantly boost your recall of complex systems. Try to connect biological principles to everyday life, making the information more relatable and easier to remember. Dedicate at least 20 minutes daily to reviewing new terms and their functions to build a strong foundational knowledge. Chemistry demands consistent problem solving. Practice balancing chemical equations and mastering stoichiometry calculations daily, perhaps for 15 to 30 minutes. A deep understanding of the periodic table's trends and the nuances of chemical bonding is fundamental. Always work through example problems meticulously, focusing on the methodology rather than just the answer. Regular review of reaction types and their underlying mechanisms will solidify your comprehension. Physics requires a strong grasp of core principles and their application. Memorize fundamental formulas, but more importantly, understand when and how to use them correctly. Always draw clear diagrams for every problem. Visualizing forces, vectors, and motion is crucial for setting up solutions. Break down challenging problems into smaller, more approachable steps. Dedicate at least 1 hour 3 times a week to practicing diverse problems to build your analytical skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.